and from here we can verify the certificates, and let me check that certificate over here. So here you can see the proper certificate is installed for 1 year. It will expire on the same date in 2026. So here, this certificate is not trusted. So very generic kind of problem, because it's a self-signed certificate. No third party is involved for the creation of this certificate. That's why this error is generated. Now, what we can do to resolve this problem? So it's really simple. We just need to reinstall this certificate and place over all the locations like trusted root certificate authorities, enterprise trust, and intermediate certification authorities. So these are the three areas where we need to install and place the certificate. So we will go here. We just click local machine, next, 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 type the password, next. And here now place all the certificates in the following store, and we will repeat the same process for all other parameters. Finish. Now initiate it again. Local machine, simple process. Yes. Next. Type the password. Next. Now here we need to select the enterprise trust, because it will try to locate for its CA. So we just need to place this certificate on all locations. Let me now the last one, and here we go. So type the password again, next, and placed it over here. So the last location is intermediate certificate authorities. Type here, finish, finish. Okay. So now we need to verify it again, because now this certificate is placed on three major areas. So now here we go with this certificate, and here you go. Now, because it was a self-signed certificate, so we need to place this certificate under intermediary, under root and enterprise as well. So it will resolve the issue. So now I hope you get the detailed information how you can create the self-signed certificate, and how you can resolve the CA issues regarding the self-signed certificate. Thank you very much. And if you like our content, just like, share, and subscribe our channel as well. Thank you very much.